What's going on? What's going on? Happy Tuesday, everybody. The Rucci rims that I stayed and taped up last night. That's the spinning center caps. That's the wheels right there with that Brandywine candy with that silver and black. Remember, these is 26 by 12 in the back, 24 by 9 in the front. Came in a little early today to knock these out. I know I'm posting this video kind of late, but been back on the old schools. Springtime will be here before you know it. Trust me, I got a lot on my plate, or should I say platter. I got a lot on my platter. I'm trying to please those that I can and make it a great summer. Trying to please myself too, real talk, or at least one of my vehicles. John Restoration, Rucci. Good day. House of Color.